Okay, Anastasia, what are we doing today?
Today I want to go blonde.
Okay, that's a big change.
Girl!
Have you been blonde before?
Never.
Oh my goodness. Okay, this is gonna be beautiful. I think with your peachy skin tone and your hazel eyes, keeping it more on the warm, reflective, buttery blonde will be absolutely stunning on you. I'm gonna go mix this up. I am so excited. Okay, so Anastasia, do you want a money piece?
Yeah, for sure.
Do you want it a little bit bolder and through the front?
Yeah.
Okay, like nice and bright and like a pop of color. Okay, I'll keep it a little bit noticeable, but very natural, so that when you do pull your hair back, you're not gonna have this like big chunk sticking out of the top of your head, especially if you're not used to being blonde.
I'm sure it will be beautiful.
Wow, stop! This is unreal. She was born to be a butter blonde.
I think so.
What do you think?
Yes, can't agree more.
Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more transformations. Wow, girl!